Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zayan Azhari. I am from Physics Education, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Lambung Mangkurat University. I will present my article which has the title Development of Linear Impulse and Momentum Teaching Material Loaded with Al-Quran versus to Practice Students Problem Solving Skill. Validity Review. Preliminary. The purpose of this study was to describe the validity of the impulse and linear momentum teaching materials containing the verses of the Quran. Based on the result of needs analysis and preliminary studies, it is necessary to develop linear impulse and momentum teaching material containing verses of the Quran, which are expected to be able to train students' spiritual attitudes and problem-solving skill, so that the development of this teaching material can increase their enthusiasm for learning, and the most important thing is to strengthen the spiritual and religious side of students to learning. Teaching material need to be considered appropriate in their use. One aspect of feasibility is validity. Validity will show whether the teaching materials developed are correct in accordance with expert opinion, and also it's suitable with what should be conveyed to students. Method. The development model used in the development of impulse and linear momentum teaching material containing the verses of the Quran to practice problem-solving skill is the AD development model. However, in this study, it only happened until the time of development, which focus on validity testing. The following steps are used in research in the table 1. Step 1. Analyze. Description, competency analysis, analysis of student characteristic, and analysis of teaching material. Design, designing teaching material containing verses of the Quran to practice problem-solving skill. Development, develop teaching material, carry out validation, and carry out simulation. Data collection instrument can provide final research to determine the feasibility of the development teaching material. The instrument of the validation set of teacher material is used to determine whether or not the teaching material are valid before being used for testing in the learning process. This validity is assessed by two academics and one practitioner by putting a tick in the column that corresponds to the observer's assessment for aspect assessment and circling the value or number that corresponds to the observer's assessment for general assessment. If there are suggestions for revision, the observer can write it directly in the suggestion column provided. The data obtained from the result of the assessment of teaching material were analyzed descriptively, qualitatively, and quantitatively. Analyzing the validation by using a passing grade, which is the average score of the assessment result of academic and practitioner that are adjusted to the criteria for the assessment of teaching material that have been determined in Table 2. Result and discussion. The product developed is in the form of impulse and linear momentum teaching material containing Al-Quran versus to train students problem-solving skill. The result of the development of teaching material are used to support the process of teaching and learning activities according to the characteristic of student and the characteristic of the impulse and linear momentum material for class 10 high school in event semester. The cover and the content of teaching material are shown in Figure 1 and Figure 2. One of the possibility of teaching material can be seen for their validity. The validity of teaching material is carried out by three validators consisting of two P6 education lecturer and one P6 teacher. Their results were obtained from the assessment contained in Table 4. The assessment aspect used in completing the teaching material validation instrument consists of two assessments, namely the aspect of the content of the teaching material and the aspect of the display of the teaching material. The content aspect consists of three aspects, namely software engineering, organization, and language, while the display aspect consists of three aspects, namely visual communication, format, shapes, and such of letter. The validation results based on the display aspect are categories very good for visual communication, font shape, and size, and in category for format. The cover fake display is made as attractive as possible. In addition, the use of image to convey the message of the material is also present in an attractive and clear manner, making it easy for students to understand the content of the material and be interested in the reading present. Conclusion. The result of the validity of this digital teaching material result in the conclusion that the impulse and linear momentum teaching materials containing the verses of the Quran to practice problem solving skill developed were very valid with a score of 3.45. Digital teaching material can then be used for class trial. This is related to the research and development model carried out by research, namely to enter the implementation and evaluation stage. This is to see to what extent the practicality and effectiveness of the developed teaching material on students' problem solving abilities. Thank you.